Power crews in the Ozarks are also battling the aggressive winds that have been pummeling southwest Missouri. Ozarks First Parker Paget is live in Springfield, where crews have been working around the clock tonight. Parker.
Yeah, I'm told this morning's peak outage was just under 5,000 customers, and crews have been working to keep those outages as minimal as possible, but they're up against it working in these elements.
We haven't seen any gusts higher than what we were expecting, 50 to 55 miles an hour, but even at that, it does create havoc upon our system and really upon any electric system throughout the area.
It's been a busy day as utility crews work against the wind.
We've brought in all of our crews that are available to work on this. We have brought some of our contract crews up to assist the contract crews we already had here.
Outages across town impacting local businesses, whether it's closing for a brief time or for the entire day.
This high where it's blowing power lines and things like that side to side, haven't experienced much of that.
Lane Rust, a manager with Croft Mattress Store near Battlefield in Jefferson, says he saw his outage in real time.
Came in the store, got into the parking lot, and then watched one of those telephone poles probably explode 3 or 4 different times. And then there's another one waving in the wind.
Alexander says it's not just the wind, but trees and limbs could make an impact.
This is a situation where you see limbs come in contact with the power lines. You see the power lines come down because of the winds. The power lines can come in contact with each other or something else and cause a fault or a fuse to blow.
And with the busy slate, it's likely crews will address a call but may have to return to finish the work.
There are times that when we just can't get to a pole quick enough to make that full replacement, that we will put a support truck on it. That's always a good way that we can do that to keep that pole from A, falling, and B, let us keep moving on to take care of other situations. That pole probably will need to be replaced, and we'll get out there and do that just as quick as possible.
Alexander says the calls have been all over the place.
We've seen a little bit of everything today. As far as repairs, it's mostly poles that we're having to replace or support. Some lines that we're having to bring back up.
Alexander says you can report an outage online, over the phone, or on the City Utilities mobile app. Reporting live in Springfield, Parker Paget, Ozarks First.